Choledochal cysts. O. It is defined as isolated, focal or combined, diffuse congenital dilatation of extra or intrahepatic biliary tree. O. It is congenital cyst with partial or complete weakness of the CBD biliary wall. O. It may be single, multiple or extrahepatic or intrahepatic. O. It is more common in Asia. It is common in Japan. Its incidence is 1 in 1000. O. It is often associated with pancreaticobiliary malfunction. There is long common channel more than 2 cm. It causes reflux of pancreatic juice into the bile duct, enzymatic destruction of the bile duct wall, ductal wall weakening and dilatation, Babbitt theory. O. During embryogenesis there is abnormal early canalization of bile duct with distal obstruction causing increased proximal pressure, weakening and ductal dilatation. O. Reduced postganglionic autonomous neurons in the distal portion of the cyst causing its poor function distally. Chronic inflammation, sparse mucin glands and metaplasia are the histological features. Histologically it is either glandular with normal cuboidal epithelium with cavities in the mucosa, or fibrotic type with fibrous cyst wall with thickened bile duct. Different types of choledochal cysts. 1. Fusiform type. 2. Saccular type. 3. Choledococele. 4. Fusiform plus intrahepatic type. 5. Intrahepatic type. Types of choledochal cysts. Todani modification of Alonso-Lake classification. O. Type 1. Dilatation of extrahepatic biliary tree, 60%. Type IA, cystic. Type IB, focal segmental, saccular. Type IC, fusiform. O. Type 2. Diverticulum of extrahepatic biliary tree, 5%. O. Type 3. Choledococele, cystic dilatation of intraduodenal part of CBD, 5%. O. Type 4. Dilatation of extra and intrahepatic or multiple parts of extrahepatic biliary tree, 30%. Type EVA. Dilatation of extrahepatic and intrahepatic biliary tree. It is second most common. Type IVB. Dilatation of multiple sections of the extrahepatic bile duct. O. Type 5. Dilatation of the only intrahepatic biliary tree, Caroli's disease. Presentations. O. Common in females 4. 1. Common in Japan. O. Present in infants, children and even in adults. O. Obstructive jaundice, 80%, pain in right hypochondrium, cholangitis. O. Mass per abdomen. Mass is to the right and above the umbilicus, smooth, soft, not moving with respiration, not mobile and resonant, 30%. O. Failure to thrive. Triad of choledochal cyst, seen in 10% of cases. Right upper quadrant pain, jaundice, palpable abdominal mass. Swellings which appear and disappear. Hydronephrosis, intussusception, pseudopancreatic cyst, choledochal cyst. Complications. O. Pancreatitis, mainly in type 3. O. Suppurative cholangitis. O. Gallstone and CBD stone formation. O. Biliary cirrhosis, secondary. Portal hypertension. O. Rupture of cyst and peritonitis. O. Cholangiocarcinoma in CBD, 30% of cases. Incidence of malignancy increases with age and is more common in type 1 and B. Reflux, stasis, superinfection, pancreaticobiliary malfunction are the causes for malignant transformation. Malignancy can develop even in residual cyst or at anastomotic site. O. Malignancy is common in posterior wall. Diagnosis. OUS abdomen, anelocular cyst mainly in infants. O. CT scan, mainly to see intrahepatic biliary system. Hepatobiliary nuclide scanning. OERCP, cholangiography, to see ductal anatomy. OMRCP, to see status of pancreatic and biliary system and pancreaticobiliary malfunction. or liver function tests, OPTC to see intrahepatic biliary tree. Treatment or resection of extrahepatic biliary tree with removal of choledochal cyst along with cholecystectomy and Roux-en-Y hepaticojejunostomy is the ideal treatment for choledochal cyst, especially types I, II and IVB. Or in type 1, excision of cyst with its mucosa and reconstruction by Roux-en-Y hepaticojejunostomy. Or in type 2, excision of the diverticulum and suturing of the CBD wall is done. Or in type 3, endoscopic sphincterotomy is done. Excision is also often needed. Or intrahepatic dilatation is difficult to treat. If it is localized, hepatectomy is sufficient, but if it is diffuse, liver transplantation may be required. Or in type 4, if cyst is adherent to portal vein posteriorly, that part of the cyst wall over the portal vein is left behind. But mucosa of the part should be removed, Lilly's operation. Cholecystectomy is a must in all these types. Incidence of gallbladder carcinoma is also high in these patients. Or if cyst has already turned into malignancy, adenocarcinoma, then radical surgery and chemotherapy is given. Caroli's disease B, Figs 12.21a and B. Or it is congenital, non-familial, multiple, irregular, dilatations of the intrahepatic ducts with stenotic segments in between. It is associated with congenital hepatic fibrosis and medullary sponge kidney. Or it can also be included under type 5 choledochal cyst. Investigations: CT scan ERCP LFTM RCP. Complications: or recurrent cholangitis, or stones in biliary tree, or portal hypertension, or cholangiocarcinoma 7%. Treatment: 1. Liver transplantation. 2. Hepatectomy. Biliary atresia. Or it may be either due to viral infection or defective embryogenesis resulting in fibrosis of extra and intrahepatic biliary tree. Incidence is 1 in 10,000. Or it is obstructive cholangiopathy with inflammation, destruction and obliteration predominantly involving the extrahepatic biliary tree. There is bile duct proliferation, cellular and canalicular bile stasis, bile plugs in portal tract bile system, periportal inflammation and fibrosis. Etiology of biliary atresia: infections, cytomegalovirus, reovirus, rotavirus and human papillomavirus. Immune and autoimmune diseases: abnormal development of the biliary system, toxins, vascular defects of the hepatic artery. Classification: O correctable 10%, O non-correctable 90%. Biliary atresia: type 1, atretic CBD 10%, type 2, atretic CBD and common hepatic duct, type 3, atretic CBD, common hepatic duct and right and left hepatic ducts 88%. Biliary atresia can be O perinatal acquired 70%, not associated with congenital anomalies. O fetal, embryonic 30%, is associated with congenital anomalies. It may be associated with other congenital anomalies 20% of the GIT, malrotation, annular pancreas duodenal atresia, and congenital heart diseases, polysplenia, situs inversus, absent vena cava, preduodenal portal vein. Clinical features: O progressive jaundice in a newborn, O steatorrhea, pale stool is common, O hepatomegaly, O splenomegaly with portal hypertension, O osteomalacia, O biliary rickets, O severe pruritus, O clubbing, skin xanthomas. Differential diagnosis: O neonatal hepatitis, O choledochal cyst, O cholestatic jaundice, O sclerosing cholangitis, O metabolic diseases, O storage disorders, O Alagille syndrome, hypoplastic biliary ducts. Diagnosis: O liver function test, conjugated hyperbilirubinemia, O US abdomen shows triangular cord, tubular echogenicity extending above the bifurcation of the portal vein which is more than 4 mm thick. Diagnostic: O MRCP, 100% accuracy, O radioisotope study, HIDA or PIPIDA scan, O on-table cholangiogram, O liver biopsy, percutaneous, is usually 5-RST test obtained, O Rose Bengal I-131 study, if shows less than 10% secretion it is biliary atresia. If secretion is greater than 10% it is more likely to be hepatitis. Treatment, O incorrectable cases, Ruse NY jejunal anastomosis, O in non-correctable cases, hepaticopotojejunostomy, Kasai's operation. O liver transplantation is becoming more popular in biliary atresia, ideal. O presently Kasai, 1974, potoenterostomy is done, in 8 weeks, as a preliminary procedure followed by liver transplantation eventually. After opening the abdomen, gallbladder is cannulated and on-table cholangiogram is done to confirm rheumatotic segment. Liver biopsy should also be done at the same time. If biliary patency is found, procedure is abandoned. In atretic biliary tree, gallbladder is dissected off the liver and by applying traction to it, fibrotic atretic biliary tree is felt and dissected up to intrahepatic segment, up to the segmental branches of portal vein. Portal plate is anastomosed to Ruse NY part of the small bowel. Postoperatively, antibiotics, intravenous corticosteroids initially, later orally, for 6 to 12 weeks, ursodeoxycholic acid, for 1 year, nutrition, medium chain and essential fatty acids, essential elements supplementation is given. Success of procedure depends on age of the patient, presence of cholangitis, lecture size, more than 200 micrometers is better, bridging fibrosis, type of atresia, bilirubin level. Eventually cholangitis, portal hypertension, variceal bleeding will develop.